Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So we are on our last July niche idea, and of course it's camping. Woohoo! Look at the confetti. So for this one, I want to go ahead and do a journal cover. So I think I kind of have an idea already about what I want to do in the color scheme. So I'm just going to go in and look for like a greenish color just because it seems a little foresty. So I got my color and now I'm just going to go to elements and type in camping. I'm kind of looking for like some outline sketches of some camping stuff. So I'm just going to scroll through this and see if I can find anything that catches my eye. I see this tent. There's some actual pictures in here. Still not kind of seeing what I want. So I'm going to retry my wording and just see if I can just type in camping and it kind of brings up what I'm looking for. So I think I found one. Let's see if I like this. See how well this works with the vision I have. I like when you can hit see all because then you can see, more designs. If you wanted to have that option of putting like little trees on the back of it just to make it a little bit more exciting, you can do that. I'm going to search through here a little bit more to see if there's anything else that I would like to add. If not, then I'm going to start to kind of move my designs around and, see what I can get. So of course I can't forget my line, so I can make sure I find the middle of this journal. That is one of the tips that I always choose to share with you guys that has helped me so much without making that mistake of having a journal cover with a design that is not too much centered or it's not proportioned correctly. All right, so let's go ahead and get some wording in here. Gonna look for a text that I like that can pretty much go with this camping theme that we have. And let's see what I can come up with. So I'm going to use Camp Bob Cooper only because this is like a camp I went to when I was younger. So it kind of reminds me of, going to the camp like 2 summers in a row and having fun with lots of new friends. And it just kind of brings back memory with this theme camping. All right, so that's it. We have our journal cover. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.